Misplaced your phone or need to track it fast? In 2025, Google services can find your phone's location in minutes. Stick around for 5 minutes and I'll show you how to use Google's tools to locate your device, secure it, and stay safe. Let's get to it. What's up? Welcome to GadInsider. Today we're diving into how to find your phone's location using Google services. Whether you lost your Android, want to track a family member's device with consent, or just need peace of mind, Google has got powerful free AI tools. We'll keep it legal and simple. Let's jump in. First up, Google's Find My Device. This is your go-to for locating a lost or stolen Android phone or tablet. Head to android.com/find or download the Find My Device app on another device. Sign in with your Google account and it'll show your phone's last known location on a map. You can make it ring for 5 minutes even if it's on silent, lock it with a pin, or erase all data to protect your info. Make sure it's enabled in your phone settings under Security and Location. Next, Google Maps location sharing. This is awesome for tracking a phone with permission, like checking on a kid or meeting a friend. Open Google Maps, tap your profile, and choose location sharing. Share your location for a set time, like an hour or until you stop it, and send the link via text or email. If someone shares the location with you, you'll see their phone's real-time spot on the map. It's secure, and both parties need to opt in. Third, check Google Maps timeline. If location history is enabled on your phone, Google Maps tracks where it's been. Go to your timeline and maps to see a log of places your phone visited with dates and times. This is great for retracing steps if you lost your phone at a cafe or park. To turn it on, go to your Google's account, data and privacy settings, and enable location history. Note, this only works for your own device. Fourth, use your Google account security tools. Go to myaccount.google.com, click Security, and check your devices. This lists all devices signed into your Google account, including their last active location. If your phone's missing, you can remotely sign it out to prevent unauthorized access. Combine this with Find My Device for a full lockdown. It's a quick way to double-check your phone status from any browser. Last but crucial, stay safe and legal. Google's tools are for your own devices or shared locations with consent. Tracking someone without permission is illegal and unethical. Avoid third-party phone tracker apps. Many are scams that steal data or don't work. Stick to Google's official services. Keep your account secure with two-factor authentication and review privacy settings to control location data. If you're tracking a minor's phone, ensure you have legal authority. Alright, let's sum it up. Use Find My Device to locate or secure your phone, Maps location sharing for real-time tracking with consent, Timeline to retrace steps, Google account for device management, and always prioritize safety. These Google tools are free, fast, and reliable for finding your phone in 2025. Try one today and never stress about a lost phone again. If this saved you from a phone-losing panic, hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech tips. Comment below. Have you used Google to find your phone or got a story to share?